guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. So today we have a super special video for you guys. We are going to be decorating gingerbread cookies. I think they're gingerbread, they could be sugar cookies. Gingerbread houses. So without further ado, let's get into this video and start decorating these beautiful gingerbread houses. All right, come on boys.
Okay.
Open your gingerbread houses and then I'll...
Oh wait, I don't need scissors. Let's just go. How are you able to do it so fast?
Our Christmas village. Wow.
I'm on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted.
All right, so Ange is almost, well, he's done with his house. Andrew, you like your house?
Yay.
Yeah. Aiden is still working on his. But now what we're gonna do is these holiday ornament cookies, which I picked up in Trader Joe's. So they look fun. Andrew already tried to open it up. So I don't think we're gonna use them as ornaments because my kids are gonna eat them. So,
Oh yeah, that's true.
so we're gonna decorate them and see how they come out.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
All right, so this is what we're doing next. I got to, because I know Andrew won't give it a try. Aiden will a little bit. So I got this also from Trader Joe's. So it's a hot cocoa snowman. So everything's supposed to be inside, and then this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm excited to give it a try. We have just plain hot water. Let me open it and we'll be right back. So here's the little snowman. So you could hear there's probably marshmallows and hot cocoa. Oh, cocoa inside. Go ahead, open up yours. Isn't he adorable?
Aww.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot water, so just you're supposed to just put him in there. Oh.
Now he will melt away. Is it very hot though?
and boiling hot water.
Like when it becomes hot cocoa.
What? I guess he has to melt and everything has to open up. Oh, he's bubbling.
Oh, I can smell like the chocolate.
Yeah?
But it's mixed in with like...
Mine is bubbling.
Oh! Mine's...
Oh!
Mine's goodbye.
Oh no.
Oh, I already just tasted a little bit of the chocolate.
It's good, right?
Like...
Look, marshmallows. Look at yours.
Oh! Oh, hello!
Go get a spoon.
Sorry, I
That-
don't know. I never ate hot chocolate.
Okay.
I'll just get this one. Is this good? Is this good?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. 1 minute later, I stirred it up more. You could see that it changed the color. Actually looks more like hot cocoa. It actually tastes really good. I've been drinking it. It's delicious. Aiden is still on the fence. He's like, I'll help you stir it. But I don't know about drinking it. Well, it's hot cocoa. He never had hot cocoa, by the way.
Is it very hot?
It's boiling water, baby.
And how do you like it?
Put your finger in it and see if it burns.
No.
Mm.
Okay.
He's not gonna do it.
Maybe I'll do it. Maybe when
We'll let it
cools
cool down a little bit. All right.
Obviously.
Let's finish decorating. Andrew has abandoned us, but this is his house. And we're gonna do cookies now.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at mine. You're
It's
mean.
drying up. Oh yeah, Aiden says this green looks like the Grinch.
No. Don't try up on me. You know, we forgot another thing. The taste test.
Go ahead.
I just dream about a time when I need my empty This is fine.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for us today. We hope that you enjoyed our holiday festive video where we decorated our gingerbread houses and cookies and had some melted snowman hot chocolate, which was kind of like, I mean, I'm not very big on hot cocoa. My husband is, but he's not home, so, and the kids can't care less for it. But anyways, Andrew finished his gingerbread house like 1, 2, 3, and Aiden was like, he took his time. Anyways, we had so much fun. Like I said, we hope you enjoy it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. Bye.